Let me say this straight. The thing you're holding on to right now, the pain, the resentment, the control, the person who already walked away, it's not protecting you. It's suffocating you. Letting go isn't weakness. Letting go is warfare. And until you learn to release, you'll never be free enough to receive what God has already lined up for you. I'm Tony Buonaiuto, and this is my movement. Good help for people ready to break chains and live free. Heal on the inside to live free on the outside. If you've been feeling heavy, tired, stuck, or relentless, or restless, this message is for you because I believe the world is in turmoil. Good and evil are colliding. This is a battle. The good news is it's not them against us. It's a spiritual battle for your soul. And it often looks like this thing, and learning to let go is one of the answers. Why do we hold on? We hold on because we think control equals safety. We hold on because pain feels familiar. We hold on because we're scared if we let go, we'll have nothing. Holding on feels like strength, but it's actually chains disguised as security. Ask yourself, what are you holding on to so tightly right now that it's cutting off your own circulation? The hidden costs of holding on. Emotionally, stress, anger, and replay loops. Physically, tension, exhaustion, and even sickness. And spirituality, you block God's blessings because your hands are already full. There was a time when I clung on to resentments like a badge of honor. I thought it made me strong, untouchable. But until I found out the truth, it made me bitter. I was a prisoner of a story I refused to release, and until I finally opened my hands, I could not receive the freedom God was trying to give me. The spiritual nature of letting go. Scripture reminds us, cast your cares upon him, for he cares for you. Letting go isn't a psychological hack. It's an act of faith. When you release what was never meant for you, you step back into alignment with God's plan, and it's bigger than yours will ever be. Letting go isn't losing. It's clearing the battlefield so God can fight for you. I always wondered why I resisted letting go so much. And here's why. We think forgiveness equals weakness. I thought surrender equaled failure, and I feared the unknown. How about you? The answer is that forgiveness is strength. Surrender is a strategy. The unknown is where all your faith will grow. Are you holding on because you think you're strong or because you're afraid? My path of letting go is just this. So here's how to let go in a real, spiritual, practical way. Number one, you name it. Say it out loud. I'm still holding on to this wound. Number two, confess the cost. Admit it's been draining your peace, your joy, and your relationships. 3, release it to God. Pray. This isn't mine to carry anymore. Hand it over. Even if it's every day, give it to God. And 4, replace it with truth. Don't just let go. Fill the empty space with God's promise, gratitude, and purpose. Freedom doesn't come by clinging. It comes by releasing. So guess what happens when you let go? Space opens, peace enters, energy returns, relationships shift. Your vision clears. You finally see what God was holding out to you all along. And the miracle you're waiting for is often on the other side of that release. You can't see it until you let go. You've carried this long enough. Don't walk away from this video the same. Right now, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, ding, 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 and drop a comment below. What's one thing you're ready to let go of today? I read all the comments. And if you're ready to go deeper, check the description while you're down there. Join me in the Buonaiuto Movement. grab the resources to let go, and we can walk this together. Because Buonaiuto means good help in Italian, and you don't have to fight alone anymore. Don't stop here. Let go. Let God in. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.